Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the system. Make sure you have administrator rights and your PC is plugged in so updates don't interrupt. Once ready, open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Recovery. This is where Windows keeps rollback tools. Make sure to glance at the listed restore point date and any description so you know what you'll return to. This first step ensures you aren't restoring to an unwanted state and prevents mid-operation power loss that could corrupt the system. You now perform the core restore. Click Open System Restore and follow the prompts. Windows will show available restore points. Choose the point that predates the problematic update because selecting the right timestamp is crucial to undoing only the failing changes. Once you confirm, Windows will prepare files and ask you to close apps. Save work because the machine will reboot. This process replaces system files and registry settings to the chosen snapshot, effectively undoing the recent update. You finish by letting Windows complete the restart and then sign in to confirm the problem is resolved. Check Windows Update History to verify the update was reverted. If the issue persists, go to Settings Update and Security, view Update History, and uninstall the offending update, because sometimes a remove is needed. If System Restore fails to start, boot into safe mode or run Startup Repair from advanced options. These steps let you recover when regular restore cannot complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.